Alright guys, today I'm teaching you 8 expressions that make you sound smart, emotional and slightly dramatic. Let's go! Number 1, to my amazement, okay? It means, wow, I was so surprised that I didn't expect that. Instead of saying, I was amazed that my quietest student spoke confidently, you could simply say, to my amazement, my quietest student suddenly became a TED Talk speaker. I was just like, who are you, my dear? Our second vocabulary is to my relief, You have to stress letter I a bit, so to my relief, okay? It means I was relaxed and calm because something bad didn't happen, or you can say thanks God, okay? So I will give you an interesting example. For example, I was relieved that my daughter finally fell asleep. So instead of saying this, you can say in more advanced way. To my relief, my daughter finally fell asleep. Next expression, to my surprise, okay, means, oh really, I didn't expect that. An example, to my surprise, the students actually enjoyed the grammar lesson, means I was surprised that they didn't cry this time during the lesson. So to my surprise means I was surprised. Our next expression, to my horror, means I was shocked in a bad way. No. Okay? Example, one of your friends or students mispronounced a simple English word and you were shocked. So you can say, to my horror, you said that, let's fix it. Okay? Number 5, to my dismay, it means I was disappointed, I was upset. So you can use this expression instead of I was upset or I was disappointed. An example, to my dismay, the internet died right before my lesson. So in simple way, I was upset and I stared at my router like, why? Okay, you got me? So we can use to my dismay instead of I was upset or I was disappointed. Yes, our next expression is to my delight, means I was happy or yes, I'm happy. So an example, some of my students recently got one of the highest scores in multi-level in IELTS. So I would say, to my delight, you all did an amazing job. Okay, to my delight, you all did an amazing job. So simply, I was very happy you did this really good job. Number 7, to my frustration, It means simply something really annoys me. Okay? Example, to my frustration, this marker is dead again. So it stopped working in writing. So in a simple way, I was very angry or annoyed that this marker is dead again. So I can say, to my frustration, this marker is dead again. And finally, the last one, to my embarrassment, means I was shy, I was ashamed. So example, to my embarrassment, I forgot a simple word during the lesson. So I was embarrassed and I pretended that it was a teaching method. So we can use to my embarrassment instead of I was shy or I was ashamed.